Does chia seeds make you lose weight? You're drinking chia seeds for weight loss, right? What if I told you that tiny spoonful could either flatten your belly or quietly block your fat-burning hormones? Sounds dramatic? It's not, because most people are doing it completely wrong and wondering why nothing's changing. Let me show you why chia seeds might not be working for you yet and how to flip the switch. Today, we're breaking down what really happens when you use chia seeds for weight loss. Spoiler alert, it's not just about tossing them in your smoothie. There's a right way and a wrong way. If you've been using chia seeds but the scale isn't moving, or your belly's still bloated, keep watching, because I'm going to show you how to make chia seeds actually work for weight loss, and which dangerous mistakes to avoid. Let's be honest, weight loss isn't just about calories anymore. It's hormones, it's digestion, it's inflammation, it's sleep. And guess what? Chia seeds, that so-called superfood, can either help or hurt every single one of those. You've probably heard things like, chia seeds keep you full. They're loaded with fiber. Great for weight loss. All true. But here's what nobody tells you. If you're eating them dry, without soaking, at the wrong time of day, or in the wrong amount, you might be bloated, constipated, or even gaining water weight. And let's not forget, weight loss isn't just about losing pounds. It's about losing fat and keeping your hormones and digestion in check while you do it. So if you're serious about using chia seeds the right way to lose weight, and you're tired of wasting time, hit that like button and stick around till the end. You're about to learn some things no one ever told you. Why people think chia seeds help with weight loss. Let's start with the basics. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds equals 5 grams of fiber, and fiber slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you full longer. They also absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel that expands in your stomach, making you feel full for hours. On top of that, chia seeds have plant-based protein, which helps preserve lean muscle while you're losing fat, something most people forget. They're also packed with omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation. And guess what inflammation does? It makes you insulin resistant, and that means more belly fat. So in theory, chia seeds are amazing for weight loss. But in reality, there are 3 major traps that make chia seeds backfire. Trap number 1, eating them dry. Here's a fact. Dry chia seeds can actually dehydrate you. They suck moisture from your gut, and that can lead to bloating, constipation, and discomfort. So if you're just sprinkling them on your toast or swallowing a dry spoonful, stop. Fix. Always soak your chia seeds in water for at least 30 minutes. Even better, let them soak overnight in the fridge. They'll turn into that gel-like texture your gut actually loves. The way you prepare your food determines how your body responds to it. Trap number 2, wrong timing. Most people throw chia seeds in their breakfast and call it a day. But here's the problem. If your insulin levels are already spiked, let's say after toast or juice, chia seeds won't work the same. Chia seeds are best used in the morning on an empty stomach, or at night before bed with lemon water. Why before bed? Because they can regulate digestion overnight and help prevent late-night cravings. Just don't take them 5 minutes before sleeping. Give them at least 30 to 60 minutes to settle. Trap number 3, too much or too little. Chia seeds are not magic. More is not better. Taking 4 to 5 tablespoons a day will likely leave you gassy and bloated. But taking too little, like half a teaspoon, won't give you results either. The sweet spot? 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. That's enough to regulate digestion, stabilize blood sugar, feed your gut with soluble fiber, and support long-term fat loss. So what happens when you stop making these mistakes and finally use chia seeds the smart way? When chia seeds actually start working. Let me tell you what happens when you get it right. Imagine this. You soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in water overnight. Picture a jar in your fridge. Chia seeds fully gelled, lemons swirling through. like a tiny detox waiting to kickstart your morning. Next morning, you drink it on an empty stomach with a squeeze of lemon. No sugar, no carbs yet. Just that gelled chia lemon water combo. Within days, you'll notice. You stay full longer. Your cravings drop. Your bloating disappears. And yes, the scale starts to shift. You're no longer spiking insulin or crashing mid-morning. Instead, your body gets into a natural fat-burning mode. Some people even notice more regular bowel movements within 48 hours. And that's a huge deal, because constipation is one of the sneakiest weight loss blockers no one talks about. Real case study. Let's talk about one of our viewers, Jenny, a 42-year-old mom of two. She'd been drinking chia smoothies every day, but felt stuck. Her mistake? She never soaked them. She added sugar-loaded almond milk, and she was taking 3 tablespoons at a time. Once she cut back to 1.5 tablespoons, soaked overnight, and drank it first thing in the morning. She dropped 6 pounds in a month. No calorie counting, just better digestion, less bloating, and no cravings. Chia seed, add-ons for extra fat burn. Want to supercharge the effect? Try mixing soaked chia seeds with lemon juice boosts liver detox. Apple cider vinegar regulates insulin. Cinnamon reduces blood sugar spikes. Optional combo drink, 1 tablespoon soaked chia plus 1/2 lemon juice plus 1 teaspoon ACV plus pinch of cinnamon in warm water. Drink this 30 minutes before breakfast for a natural fat-burning boost. Quick note, if you have acid reflux or a sensitive stomach, skip the apple cider vinegar or dilute it more to stay safe. So, do chia seeds help you lose weight? Yes, but only if you use them correctly. The keys are: soak them for 30 minutes or more. Take them at the right time, morning or night. Don't overdo the dose. Combine with lemon, cinnamon, or ACV for extra fat-burning power. They're not a miracle fix, but they are a powerful tool when used right. Because weight loss isn't about extremes. It's about small, smart choices you stick with, day after day. And chia seeds? They're one of the smartest choices you can make. If this helped you, give it a like. It really supports the channel. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And if you want more real, honest, and simple tips for fat loss and holistic wellness, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Your health isn't complicated. It just needs clarity. Stick with me, and I'll show you how.